Welcome back to another great Dollar Tree haul. I have a lot of household, regular, repeat kind of purchases. We're going to get those out of the way. And then I did find a lot of awesome new stuff to my Dollar Tree, like candles, makeups, stuff for Connor. So we're going to jump into that in just a moment. First, I'm going to share with you a lot of the repeat kind of buy stuff. Obviously, I'm always buying batteries. So I got 3 AA's and 2 AA's. Got some handle bags from Good Sense, the vanilla scented ones. I love these. I got a 200 count tissues. I got some of these Nature Measures hair, skin, and nails vitamins. Thought I would give these a try because I like the women's vitamins they have. Scrub Buddies, the 6-pack nail guard sponges. 2 packages of the bath tissue. 2 of those. This is new packaging. But it's the same foaming kids bubble bath and watermelon. It just, instead of the octopus, has an elephant on the packaging now. And it's still 20 fluid ounces. I got another one of these in-wash fragrance boosters. I've done a review on this item, as well as the Perfect Purity Ultra Moisturizing Body Wash. Love these 2 items. Definitely check that review out. I have an upcoming review on the Daily Defense, but this is a repurchase, so if that gives you any little insight, it's a shampoo and conditioner. The coconut oil, it's pretty awesome. I got a Lady Speed Stick in Fresh Fusion. Some Q-tips. I got some of these lavender cleansing cloths. You get 32 in there. They're from the Assured brand. I picked up 2 of the Assured brand 6-blade razors. I like these women ones, so whenever I find them, I try to grab a couple of them. So I got 2 of these today. They've done different stuff with the handles there. I was able to find the Pure Silk 5-ounce Sensitive Skin Therapy shave cream. I was hoping to find the coconut one, but this one will do. I picked up a couple things for Connor. I got some of this pediatric electrolyte drink. He's kind of been feeling under the weather, so I picked some of this up. You get 16.9 fluid ounces of that for $1. We've had this before, and it does what it's supposed to do. I also got him some of these flushable wipes. There's 50 in here, and what cute packaging. Got a 3-pack of the Firefly Batman toothbrushes. These are the soft bristle ones. I'm a big fan of Batman. That's a really great deal. A couple other random householdy kind of stuff. I did finally find these, again, the hardware storage cases. I love these to store earrings in. I also got some crazy glue, some more child resistant lighters, and I also got from that same tool bench brand from Dollar Tree, the all-purpose caulk. I grabbed 2 of these, and these are 4.5 fluid ounces for whatever we may need. You can use these on tubs, sinks, windows, trim, and more. So I was kind of excited to find that random find. In the stationery aisle, I grabbed a few things. I also got a big bright yellow poster board for a later on project that I'm working on for Connor. I did get from the Teaching Tree these die cut letters. They had these in a ton of different designs. I just like the red ones today. And there is 69 in here, and you get uppercase letters, punctuation, and numbers. That's their actual size there. I also got some of the Jot brand glitter paper. You get a yellow, orange, and a pink one in here. And I have the purple, green, and blue pack. And I like to film. Use these as filming backgrounds. So that's what I got that for. And I got 2 grade K workbooks. Again, today I got the Letters and Writing Homework Helper. Has pages like this in there. And this one is Colors and Shapes. It has 32 pages in here. It's pages like this. So I thought those were kind of neat to work with Connor with. And I just got a few more things I want to share with you at this angle here. And I got some new pot holders. These are really adorable. These are from the Home Collection. You get 2 in these, and this one is the only one I found like this, but it's gray and black, and it says enjoy every moment. And it has these really cute flowers. Oh, that was really nice. Black on the back. And this one here is beautiful. Faith, Family, and Friends. Has a beautiful minty color on the back. And a really nice design there. And then I just got a gray kitchen towel. It's the microfiber kind of ones. But I got that to kind of go along with that. I don't know, I'm a big pairer. But I didn't find anything very similar to go with this print. But maybe somewhere else I will, at like Dollar General or something. But I thought that was a really awesome find. I was hauling all these kinds of magnets, and these two I haven't seen anyone haul, but these two were my personal favorites. They did have the I Don't Want to Taco About It, Donut Be Happy, one, the pineapple one, the Hello Gorgeous. They had all those and more. These were my personal favorites. I like this Live the Life You Love, and these are just thin kind of magnets, but they're still nice. And this one says Focus on the Good. And I really love that one. That's my favorite out of those. And some really cute kind of stationery stuff that I actually found today. And this was a wish list item. And this is the food list pad. So fruits and veggies, meat, fish, milk, dairy, pantry items, treats, and miscellaneous. And then side notes down here. I thought this would be really great for like meal planning and just prepping for a grocery trip. You get 60 sheets, and this is from the Jot brand. I thought that was a really neat find. Also from Jot, I got 2 of these notebooks. I like them because they're in the list kind of style. They have lined paper. They have these in several different styles and designs. These are the 2 that I like the best. They are long, slender, slim notebooks. I like that. They come with a pin and a bungee strap to hold that in there, and I really think that's awesome. The next one is oh so adorable. I almost grabbed 2 of these. I'm assuming these, yeah, they have 80 sheets in these, and there is adorable cactus on here. Adorable, once again, lined paper, slender, slim list style notebook. Totally my thing. I love lists. I love doing bullet lists, grocery lists, just mapping out stuff. I'm a bullet list maker, so I like that kind of thing. Those were right up my alley. One other random kind of thing that I found was this silicone scrubber, and lots of people are hauling these. They come in like a pink purpley kind of color and this pretty turquoisey teal color, and lots of people were like, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this. This was in the like sponge aisle, so I'm assuming you can scrub counters, dishes, whatever you want to do with this. But personally, I think this is going to be great for washing makeup brushes. I probably should have got 2 of these, but I grabbed 1 to test that theory out. So, got that. Before we get into some of my favorite makeup finds that I finally found, I'm going to share with you the candles. And I was almost kicking myself in the tail because I almost didn't go down that aisle because I was like, they usually never have anything good. I might randomly find something here and there. But today I found a few different new wish list kind of candles. One is the Dream Big candle, and this is from the Rose collection. It's very faint, but I'm mainly gonna want to use this for decoration anyway, so that's okay. A mason jar candle I got is the Guava and Raspberry from Old Williamsburg. This smells so good. And hopefully it will be pretty high pitched like it is in the jar. Have an amazing throw, hopefully. The jar ones are usually pretty good. Next I got one of these iced tea candles from Old Williamsburg. Look at that, it's so adorable. It reminds me of a slushy drink opposed to an iced tea, personally. But this is berry hibiscus, and this has a nice smell. A very berry smell. You can barely, like, you can't really make out any iced tea smell, but this smells really great, and I'll keep you guys updated on all those candles like I usually do. And then I found these awesome ombre frosted glass candles that I haven't seen anyone haul these unless they did way back forever ago. And I got Island Mango, and it's in this beautiful orange and red frosted glass. It smells very nice, but it's not like super strong, but it just smells very nice. The next one's called Brazilian Sunrise, and it's also a faint kind of scent, but it's in a frosted purple and orange ombre kind of glass. So these are going to be awesome to repurpose. Last but not least, finally, makeup items. I decided to give this diamond nail polish a try. It's a nail hardener, and it says nail hardener turns weak, thin, splitting, peeling nails into hard, healthy nails. Professional quality. I don't know, I saw someone talk about this and I decided to give it another try because in the past I tried it, but I was using other things, so I ended up at the wayside and I give it to one of my sisters. So I'm going to give this another try. Let you guys know what I think about that. I also got the LA Colors Mega Grow Nail Treatment, and it has vitamin A and E for maximum growth, and it helps protect problem nails. That sold me on this. I thought I would give it a try. I've been having some peeling issues, so we'll see. And they did have all 4 new LA Colors must-have eyeshadow palettes there today, but I decided to pick up this one. The other one was called Calm, and very similar to the other matte kind of neutral shades that I have from them. So I was on the hunt for Beauty, and this one has beautiful shades in these. I have done a review on these, so definitely check that out. I also have filmed a couple tutorials using them, so don't forget to check that description box out or the rest of my videos. And that's what those look like. So you have a really pretty golden and champagne, a burgundy red kind of shade, darker brown, but it's really pretty. This is gonna look really nice on my green eyes, so I'm excited to try this. The Ultimate Liquid Eyeliner from LA Colors, and I got it in teal. It's a precision eyeliner, so we'll see about this real quick as well. I think it has a felt tip. Yep. And I think I've had eyeliners like this from LA Colors in the past, but since they're relaunching and re-releasing a new packaging, I want to see if the formulation has changed. That's really pretty though. And then last item I got from the Dollar Tree is the LA Colors Wowie Lifts Lashes. This is a new mascara, supposedly. I'm not entirely sure. It's in classic black and has a curved spoon-like wand. And yeah, so we're gonna give this a try too. So stay tuned, and I'll let you guys know in another video and tutorials of how these products are working out. And yes, that's everything I got. In less than 3 minutes, this has dried. So it dries fairly quickly as well. And I almost forgot these really cute pink rimmed oversized sunglasses. Connor also got an army hat and a little emoji plush that he's already took off with and playing with. But how cute are these for $1? They are kind of cheaply made. Obviously they're $1. They aren't very good quality, but they're super cute. And I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Stay tuned for more hauls, reviews, tutorials, all that stuff, you guys. Check the description box below, and thank you guys again for watching.